Hello, welcome to Pixellab Management with John Promise. This is the part 1 of Introduction to Pixellab. You might be asking, what is Pixellab? Pixellab is the number one designing smartphone app all over the world. It is recommended all over the world. It is being used all over the world, and it is the best smartphone designing app. It doesn't make use of data, and so you will enjoy it. So in this series, I will be introducing the icons at this top place first. Then in the following series, I will come and deal with the ones that are down here, and you really enjoy it. So please, before we go on, just click the subscribe button. Thank you so much. Click the subscribe button, then click the notification button, so that when I post the next video, you will be notified about it. This is introduction to Pixellab, and this is the first part of it. So clicking on this, you see a pen. What this means, it's everything: edit, duplicate, size, rotate, bring to middle, color, then to back to front. You will see that later. This one is for delete. You press OK, it will delete. Then the next one is for return. You see now, as I moved it for return. This one is for zoom. Say I can zoom. The reason this one is very important is because you are working on a phone, and you might not see some things very. You might need to zoom them to click, zoom them to make sure everything is well. This one is for alignment. It is called grid. If you click here, all other options will come up. As I click the plus, more will come up. I can delete. Then I can give it scale anyhow I want it. And this is to maybe increase it. Let me just add one to it and make it okay. That one is 13. Let me make it 12 by okay. That might be too much. Let me just make it 9 by 9. Make this one 9 too. So you can see you can increase it anyhow you want it. Its work is mainly for alignment. Maybe the more you keep checking our videos, you will see us use all these tools, and you really enjoy the journey. Just keep following us. And this one shows all the elements. It shows all the elements that you have used. For example, now if I duplicate this, I just copied it. I duplicate it again. I've copied it. Now I will use this one for alignment to make sure everything is well aligned. I want to make sure everything is well aligned, so I just come here and begin to check through the line. Like I want to make sure everything is on a straight line. I'm using the screen now because I've not taught you how to use the button function. There's a tool that you can use to do this thing I'm doing, to move these tools around. Now you can see now when I remove it, so everything is on a straight line. So that's the work of this. Now this one, as you can see, all these tools now they are here. You can click them from this place and just like that. So from this place you can mark them and merge them together to click them at once, and you can do a lot of stuff here. Let me just merge one for the sake of this class. Let me just merge one. Let me merge these two. Sorry. What's happening now? Okay. Now you see now I just merged it together to make it one. I can go back and return it to the way it was before. This one is for plus, for test, current date, and all those stuff. So you don't necessarily need it. This one is very important. Save as project, save as image. You will click on save as project. You put your project name and everything you save. Save as image. This is save as image. You see JPEG, no transparency, and you see defaults done. But you have more options. You can click on PNG. This one you can click on custom, low, medium, high, very high, ultra. I like using PNG ultra especially because most of my designs I print them out, and that is the reason I use PNG ultra. If not, you can just use very high and you use JPEG, it will still come out well. So this one is just to set the quality of your final outcome. You click on save to gallery, it will save, but I'm not saving now. Then this one share is still the same thing. Then this one is for quotes. As you can see, you see different quotes coming up. We have English quotes and we have French quotes, you get. Then we have different quotes: motivation, success, friendship, happiness. You might not necessarily need them. What do you want to use these quotes for? You don't need them. We are here for graphics design and not just for the quotes. Sure, you get. Then this last here, these three dots you are seeing here, that is where you will find your full screen. If you click on full screen, all these stops will go. It's only your work you'll be seeing. Then you will see recover, auto save. Pixellab used to save your work as you are going. It will save the stuff. You find auto save, you find import PLP file, you find some stuff that are not relevant there too. Okay, let me stop here in this first part. Later on I will come and teach you the works of all these stuffs that are done here, and I bet it you really enjoy it. So let me bring part 1 to an end here. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the subscription on the notification button so that when I post the next video you'll be aware of it. But let us take a pause now. I believe you enjoyed this. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Then you recommend us to people, you can share with your friends and everything. We'll be waiting to see you in our next video. One more time, this is Pixellab Management with John Promise. Thank you so much.